Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the quote-unquote travel bubble initiative. This seems to be gaining increasing momentum among what appear to be immigration policymakers here in Thailand. And for those who are unaware, we made another video on this channel recently describing the concept of a travel bubble, quote-unquote. What is a travel bubble? Well, a travel bubble is essentially Thailand sort of makes a bilateral arrangement with another country that seems to have COVID-19 under control. And there becomes this sort of corridor created, if you will, between those two countries to allow travel to and from those two countries with either limited, sort of truncated quarantine measures being undertaken or no quarantine measures being undertaken. So as of the time of this video, we're still operating in the latter phases of the domestic lockdown for COVID-19 here in the kingdom, and they're looking at trying to bring at least certain aspects of inbound travel back online. Now, it does not appear that they're going to be sort of flinging open the gates and letting just everyone in at this particular moment. That being said, I think we're starting to see things sort of being built up more on a bilateral basis. So where does that leave us? Well, twice now, the last 2 days, so Bangkok Post print edition, I think this is notable, Bangkok Post print edition, Saturday, June 13th, 2020, front page, CCSA blows toward travel bubble plan, and again, Bangkok Post print edition, and I do read the print edition actually. Most folks have actually asked me that. We do quote Bangkok Post a lot on this channel, but we do receive the print edition. That's usually where I find things first. June 14th, 2020, front page, travel bubbles, quote unquote, could be key to opening up the country again. In the article from Bangkok Post, Saturday, June 13th, again, CCSA blows toward travel bubble plan. Quoting directly from that article, the Center for COVID-19 Situation Administration, CCSA, yesterday approved in principle a proposal for travel bubbles with selected countries that have shown they can effectively contain the coronavirus. Under the proposed travel bubbles, each country would adopt health screening for arriving visitors. In principle, places that have contained the spread of COVID-19 will be considered first, the minister said. So I think what should be taken away from this is, first of all, check out the articles in the Bangkok Post regarding travel bubbles. I think we're seeing sort of a proto-policy initiative evolving here. And for those who are watching carefully, we can get a good idea and get in front of how this is going to be operating when the immigration system comes back online. That being stated, I don't think it is a good idea, nor is it particularly warranted based on the information we're seeing come in, to presume that the immigration system is going to come back online and look appreciably like it looked when it was shut down. I think we're going to see options truncated greatly. I think those who need to make so-called visa runs or border runs in order to maintain their status here in Thailand need to proceed very carefully. I think it's a good idea to contact a legal professional if you need to undertake either of those things. We're going to get into further detail on this channel with regard to what appears to be the more increasingly evolved nature of the post-COVID-19 shutdown immigration system. We'll provide further insight on this channel as things progress. For now, the thing to understand from this video is, yes, I think travel bubbles are going to be, at least in the third quarter, possibly the fourth quarter here in 2020, going to be something we're just going to have to operate under that sort of regime with respect to Thai immigration, and we're all going to have to get used to that and operate accordingly.